Less stress, more confidence, powered by RichmondCustomHomes.com. If you're wondering whether you qualify for a USDA loan in 2026, here's what you need to know. USDA loans are designed for buyers in eligible rural and suburban areas, offering a path to homeownership with zero down payment. The first requirement is location. The property must be in a USDA-approved area. Next is income. There are household income limits based on your area and family size, so you must fall within those guidelines. Lenders will also review your credit score, typically looking for around 640 or higher for a smoother approval process, though exceptions may be possible. Your debt-to-income ratio is another key factor, ensuring you can comfortably manage your monthly payments. You'll also need stable employment and proof of consistent income. Finally, the home must be your primary residence and meet basic safety and condition standards. Understanding these requirements can help you determine if a USDA loan is the right fit and move forward with confidence toward owning your home. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro NMLS 111-0647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coasttocoastml.com and visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.